Friends, have you ever thought that bridges are not just a means of connecting two places? There are some bridges that have become such examples of human intelligence, imagination, and courage that after seeing them, a person thinks only one thing, that how is this possible? In today's video, we will take you on a tour of some of the bridges in the world, which are not only the embodiment of engineering, but are far beyond your imagination. Some bridges look strange to see, some are so beautiful that it is as if a painter has decorated his creation on natural landscapes. So stay with us because today we will show you those bridges that are not built on the ground, but on the heights of imagination. Ashima Ohashi Bridge. Friends, as soon as the mention of Japan comes to our mind, the concept of a developed country comes to our mind, where technology and traditional beauty are well balanced. And when it comes to the Ashima Ohashi Bridge, it seems that the Japanese engineers have made the journey from the sky to the ground easier by combining intelligence, skill, and art. This bridge is located on the Honshu Island of Japan and connects two cities, Matsui and Kaminato. But this bridge is famous all over the world not because of its length or mixing cities, but because of its terrifying height. If you look at it from a distance, it looks like cars are climbing a roller coaster, like a road going straight to the sky. And this scene includes this bridge in the world's most famous photographic site. But if you look at it closely or travel on it yourself, you will find that this height is not as scary as it appears in the pictures. The slope of this bridge is 6%, which is technically considered to be very high and safe. But when someone captures it in the camera from a remote or special angle, it looks like a mirage, like cars are flying in the sky. The height of Ashima Ohashi is approximately 150 feet, and the length is more than 1.5 miles. It was built in 2004 so that daily passenger ships could pass from below without obstruction. Usually in such cases, drawbridges are built, but they are always in a hurry to open and close the road. Japanese engineers found a solution to this problem from the Dalwani Road, a solution that was not only effective, but also amazed the viewers. Friends, there is a bridge on the banks of the Tyne River in the northern part of England, which is probably the only bridge in the world that looks like it is blinking like a human being. Yes, this is the Gateshead Millennium Bridge, which the locals call the Winking Eye Bridge. This bridge connects the two famous cities of England, Gateshead and Newcastle. This is not just a road, but a miracle of engineering, which is not only beautiful to look at, but also a moving bridge. That is, this bridge bends completely, and that too up to 40 degrees. When a boat has to pass through the river, this bridge bends at its designated limit, and this bend acts like a blink of an eye, because of which it got this lovely name, Nanpu Bridge. Friends, if you have ever seen the aerial view of Shanghai from the air, then you will see a beautiful circular circle on the ground. But this is not a round park, a circus, or an interchange. Rather, this is China's famous and magnificent Nanpu Bridge, which gives the viewer a sense of surprise, happiness, and surprise. This bridge is located in one of the largest cities in China and connects the old city with the new district of Pudong. Friends, this is not just an ordinary bridge, but one of the longest cable-stayed bridges in the world. Its total length is more than 5 miles, and its central tower is 500 feet high. The cable-stayed steel cables not only provide support to the entire bridge, but also give it a strange, beautiful view. But what makes Nanpu Bridge different from all the other bridges is its spiral trestle, a circular path that climbs towards the bridge and descends. This design frightens the heart at the same time and amazes me. It feels like I'm driving a car on a childhood Heartwheel track. But this is a fact, and millions of people travel on it every day. Helix Bridge. Viewers, this bridge, located in Singapore's famous Mariana Bay, is only for pedestrians, but its importance is much greater than a regular road. This is Helix Bridge, a bridge whose design is inspired by the spiral chain of human DNA. And this is the most unique thing about this bridge. When you step on it, it feels like you are standing in the middle of the world of science and art. This bridge was completed in 2010, and since then, It has not only been an infrastructure point for Singapore, but also a heartwarming place for tourists. The length of the bridge is about 920 feet, and it is made of stainless steel so that it shines in the light and sunlight. Friends, the Helix Bridge not only shows its magical beauty during the day, but also at night. As soon as the sun sets, thousands of LED lights illuminate the structure of this bridge, and a scene is created that stops the viewer at the bridge. Some moments are such that a person forgets the difference between reality and a dream. A special viewing platform has been built on this bridge from where people can enjoy the scenery of water, city, and surroundings. This place is especially popular for photographers, couples, and tourists. Gold Bridge viewers. There is also such a bridge in the mountains of Bana Hills in Vietnam, a beautiful country in Southeast Asia, which is connected with the air with the help of two hands coming out of the ground. This is the world's famous and unique Golden Bridge, which is also known as the Hands of God all over the world. This bridge was open to the public in 2018, and as soon as its pictures came on the internet, it became the center of attention of tourists, photographers, and art lovers around the world. In just a few months, this bridge gave a new life to tourism in Vietnam. The length of the bridge is about 500 feet, and it is painted in a special golden color, which creates a magical scene by shining in the light of the sun. But the real wonder are those two hands which can be seen holding this bridge from below. These hands are made of fiberglass and steel, and they have been painted in such a special color that it looks like they are really old broken hands of stone, which have been buried in the ground for centuries, and now nature has brought them back to life. This scene is so famous that most people come here and become silent. They just look at the scenery and feel like they are above the world. The dense green mountains around both sides of the bridge, the cloud-covered air below, and the forest spreading far away all make up a magical scene, which cannot be described with words. Many people call it not just a bridge, but a sacred combination of art and nature. So, dear friends, this was our video today, and what do you think about this? Do tell us in the comments. Inshallah, we will come to you with a new video. Until then, take good care of yourself, the people around you, and your loved ones. Goodbye.